Hey there, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add story in Telegram. You can do that in order to get connected with your friends, or if you feel like updating something from your life, you can do that. You can post your photos or even your videos, so stuff like that. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, let's tap in the app, and you can see at the top corner there is two options. One is like have the icon of pencil or pen, whatever, and right at the side you can see a plus icon. You need to simply tap into that and it will lead you to this page. You can either take a photo directly from here by tapping the circle button, or you can also, there's option of video as well. You can simply tap in this video option and now you can take a video, or there is another option also, you can choose it from your gallery as well. In order to do that, you can see square box, you can simply tap in that and it will take you to the gallery, and now you can pick any of the photos or videos you'd like to post in your story. So okay, let's take a photo for now. I know you can only see the back screen, but let's take click in this circle button right here to take a photo. So it's done. You can either customize it. For example, let's type in something like "Hey there." You can also put in some emojis like okay, happy face. You can zoom in, zoom out, make it bigger and smaller. You can also like download. If you want to save it, then you can tap in this button right here at the top and save it. That's it. And there's another option of like drawing or doing something fun. I'll make a heart right here. So that's it. Or if you do not like it, then you can clear by tapping this option and clear painting, and that's it. There's another option as well. You can put in some of the stickers. So let's put in this one right here. You can play with it, or you can simply only post your photo. So let's get into the topic. Another option you can see, there's the option of like video as well. There's another option as well. You can see you can also choose how long the story will be visible, but sadly, in order to have this access, you need to have the access of the Telegram Premium. So we only have the option of like being visible for 24 hours, which is how normally story works. So since we have already done everything, so all we gotta do is tap in this button next, and now you can choose whom to share the story with. You can choose whether it's your contacts. If you only want your contacts to see the story, then you can tap in that, or you can also create a close friends list where you can edit out the people that you want to share the story with. That could be 4 or 5 people, or it depends on you totally. So let's do it everyone for now. And to post the story, now all you gotta do is tap in that button that says post story, and your story will be posted. So let's hit here, and there you go. You've successfully posted a story on Telegram. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.